Welcome to the Orchid Advisors Compliance Training Series, Firearms Transfers. The regulations discussed here are primarily taken from the Gun Control Act of 1968. In order for a company to sell a firearm to another licensed party, the seller must be provided a certified copy of the buyer's license per 478.94. Certification is done on a signed reproduction, not the original license. A licensee can also request an additional copy of its license from the ATF Licensing Center. As of November 30th, 1998, transfers to non-licensees must include a background check via the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, or NICS. The NICS transaction number and/or state transaction number must be written on the Form 4473. The NICS check is only good for 30 days. The only exception being the presentation by the buyer of a valid permit or license to possess, acquire, or carry firearms issued within 5 years by the state in which the transfer is to take place. Special requirements exist for multiple sales. Multiple sales of firearms must be reported if during any 5 consecutive business days 2 or more pistols, revolvers, or any combination of pistols and revolvers totaling 2 or more are sold to an unlicensed person. Once completed, the multiple sales form should be sent to the ATF as well as a copy to the local chief law enforcement officer. Be sure to attach the final copy of the form to the corresponding Form 4473. An organization can continue to sell or transfer firearms to another FFL up to 45 days after the expiration of a license. Non-licensees can only receive transfers of firearms via the Form 4473 and NICS check process. Special requirements also exist for out-of-state transfers to a non-licensee. Before an out-of-state transfer to a non-licensee, the licensee must forward by registered or certified mail with return receipt a copy of the record, Form 4473, to the chief law enforcement officer named on the record and delay the shipment for a minimum of 7 days following receipt of the return receipt. All records should be kept with the original 4473. Alternatively, the licensee can ship to another licensee in the destination state and let it do the 4473 as an in-state transfer. Seller must also validate the buyer's identity using government-issued ID. Exceptions to out-of-state sales rules. A licensee may sell a rifle or shotgun out of state to a non-licensed resident if the buyer meets with the licensee in person to accomplish the sale and delivery, and the buyer completes the Form 4473. Special circumstances arise and must be handled for the sale and delivery of a destructive device, machine gun, short-barreled shotgun, or rifle. Sellers may not sell or deliver any rifle, shotgun, or ammunition to any individual who is less than 18 years old. The age limitation for a pistol or revolver is age 21 and must be in accordance with state law or any laws regarding prohibited persons. Each licensee who delivers a handgun to a non-licensee shall provide in writing notification per ATF Form 5300.2, the Youth Handgun Safety Act publication, which relates primarily to misuse of the firearm. Forms 4473 should be filed in alphabetical order, chronological order by disposition date, or by transaction serial number. Thank you for watching this segment of our video training series.